What? You're still worried about the store not being attractive enough. In this video, we will introduce you to the skills of effectively improving the level of your store so that your store can easily stand out and customers can leave a deep impression on your store as well. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us, and we will also continue to update. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony. There are many pure brands on the market, how to do big things with little money, attracting your customers. First impression is important. This Lightbox sign is definitely special existence that makes people feel bright. Advertising sign is a label of the store, which always the consumer's first impression of your store. So if the emergence of new forms is fresh enough to attract the curiosity and attention of the clients. The Lightbox signage is made for tempered glass, and the frame is made of aluminum alloy, which will work for 8 to 10 years without any problem. This kind of Lightbox is just like an LCD TV, but it costs only 1/10 of LCD TV. It's really cost effective. Besides, you can also change the poster inside, just like I did. Put it out and then stick another new one in. This Lightbox is lesser than 1 centimeter of thickness. It's very easy to install. Lightweight and flexible, and doesn't take any space. Saves labor installation costs and energy, which can be applied in different scenarios. If this content is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel, LCSIGN. The application of the Lightbox advertising signage can improve the level of your store in the most cost-effective form. As a professional advertising signage brand over 13 years, we also provide sales services for Lightbox products. If you are still confused about how to choose, contact us to let us know. You can place an order directly on our website, official website, or contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.